So hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day, and it is a very special day and we are celebrating over here. So we are going to do a group discussion on Republic Day, and we will tell you all the important things about Republic Day and why do we celebrate Republic Day and so many things. So let's start this topic. So I want to tell that it is very special because this is a day which is filled with patriotism, and we should be really engaged, and we should celebrate Republic Day with enthusiasm and happily. And I hope you all will respect our constitution, and this day is celebrated to remember the adoption of our constitution and remember the freedom fighters of our India. So now I want to give the mic to Aradhya.
Okay, so I fully agree with Tejal, and I want to add my points. In my opinion, I think that at that time, these soldier or the freedom fighter were fighting for us, for our independence, and nowadays soldiers are doing that duty. As if they will not be on the borders, so we will be not having a very peaceful sleep, or we will not be sleeping so peacefully these days. So as we know, India is a very means independent country, and we all live here together. As we know that this freedom was not gifted by God, it was taken by us, and we also sacrifice the freedom fighter, and most of the freedom fighters gave their life to win this freedom, and they want to prove that Indians can do anything. And on this day, on this day, but not on this month, the month of November 26, we just published some people published the constitution, and we gain our constitution.
Okay, so I am agree with Aradhya and Tejal, both of them, and they said many things also. And I would like to say that I also saw a video, and also wishing you a very happy Republic Day. And I also saw a video on the social media, and it was going that a Indian soldier was had made an cave type in the snow, and it was minus 40 degree there. So it is very hard to be in that situation or condition there, because as we are also here, we are spending the time here with a very peaceful life, and we are not doing care of many things. We are just working and focusing, but we very less in very less time we think about the soldiers. And I think that not only on this day we should salute to our country. I think we should first salute to the soldiers who are working on any condition. They go to the borders and fight for the freedom and also the nation. And also I would like to say that in the past time we can say that so many freedom fighters sacrificed their whole life, and by sacrificing they means, I mean, just like she told of a quote that we did not get the freedom, it is not God gifted. We sold our blood and earned the freedom. So it means that the we have the freedom fighters has sacrificed their whole life, and their whole lifetime, or we can say life, so that we can get a freedom, we can live in our nation independently.
So yes, I am fully agree with everyone, and I want to say this day is very good day for us. We can reflect this by doing some things like our cultural programs like dance, etc., which give us some knowledge related to our culture, our Indian culture. And also, as I think, or as I see, we are living our life very easily, very freely, just because of just because of the soldiers who stay on the borders and give their life to our country. That's why we are here very freely or easy.
So, means Christy said that soldiers are working for us, and Manvi also told that. So it is really true. And I want to ask a question to Paridhi that, like, how do they celebrate Republic Day in your school, and do they teach something really important, or they do they tell something means related to the stories which motivates you to engage the soldiers and keep it up?
Yes, there are so many functions in the schools to give tributes to the mainly to the members of to the community members and Miss Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, to give him a tribute. And there are so many speeches in the schools that motivate the all the students and the next generations also. And I have seen in like I have seen in so many YouTube videos also that like there is a show on Burj Khalifa, that is in Dubai, that they show Happy Republic Day and etc. And it's a very important and precious day for all the Indians also.
And I want to say that the India is a very large country, and it is also a rich and wealthy country, because the British take the our wealth. So we are at the 10 or 11 position in the economy. But all also the finance minister and all the peoples do many hard work for us to make us wealthy and fortune.
Okay, so Republic Day is a very special day for each and every Indian. We see that in our India we celebrate Republic Day means very special, very specially. When school, we see in schools, many universities, colleges, and even on Red Fort, we see that our Prime Minister just give the great hand to our country. And it is also very special to each or every Indian. And we also should respect our constitution, because our constitution is a very large constitution in the world, and it is also written.
Like, we all know that the prime minister holds the flag on this day, and people just see all the news and all, they get to know about that, and everyone feels so happy. But what about the people who are watching those things but still not respecting our flag and our nation? And means, what is the condition nowadays? Like, people they just want to show the people that we are means we are just celebrating Republic Day, we are really thinking about our nation, but still they are not thinking about the nation. So what is the condition of our nation right now, when there is something special day related to us? Everyone wants to answer.
Okay, so I think that yeah, this happens in so many where, and I also have seen some people just like that. And I think that this is a very just like most happening thing in the world, or we can say in India, that the people are pretending, and they are showing other people that we are respecting, we are giving tribute. But I think that and they also say that we are following patriotism and and more things. But in the real thing and in the reality, they don't do that. They just wanted to show and be good and fair for all the people. So I think that this should not be happen. They should think the value of our flag of our nation, and also the value of our country. And also the soldiers are paying so many things and also sacrificing their life, so they should get to know about that.
So these things are happening in our nation. So I have a question to Aradhya, that how we can improve and what kind of guidance we should give to them, and if we saw someone like this, so what we should say to them.
Okay, so I think that the most of the people just buy flags for making videos and they just throw it anywhere. So they should firstly not buy them, or if they have buy it, so they should give it respect, because it's our national flag, not anything else. And secondly, if they cannot respect our nation, and for just showing off that we are means we have patriotism in our hearts, we have respect for our nation. And if they are just saying the lie, so they should not do that, because it's not good, because just because of this other countries are making our fun. And if we will not do this, so they will be not able to do that. And it's also wrong, because it's not good for our country.
Yeah, I want to say how you can do that, because our flag is our mother of India. Do you ever like to put your leg on your mother, as our India is our as a, like our mother? So how we can put our leg on our flag? So coming on my point, so on this day, we all celebrate our Republic Day. The reason is, on this day our Constitution of India came into effect. But I also have a question. Why, when the Republic Day was fully completed? You want to answer?
Republic Day was fully completed in 26 January 1950, and it's written on 26 November 1949.
When it was completed, it was
One way I disagree to you, because our Constitution of India got fully completed on 26th of November 1949. Because on 26th of November 1949, when it get completed, our chairman of our chairman of Constitution think that we will take on 2 more months to start it up, because they wanted that our Swadhinta Divas and our Constitution Day all will lie in the same day.
At last, and as the conclusion of my speech, so I would like to say that I would like to tell a quote that is it's not only the duty of any student to do studies and focus on their studies, but they also have the duty to prepare themselves for the upcoming generation, and also to serve for their country. Thank you.
So I want to say that the people who are pretending to do patriotism, they are just making reels and just giving pride to India, and then they are just, when they just put off the put off the video, they do nothing. If they really want to do something for our India, so they should think about it. And they should, like, in so many rivers also I have seen, like Yamuna, so dirty, and so many peoples are throwing waste into it. So they can just clean it, and if they cannot clean it, so they should not throw the waste into it.
Okay, so I want to add that in schools also we get to know about our soldiers, in about our nations. Also, like in my school today, it was a celebration, as every school celebrates it. But in my school, there was a one performance which made everyone emotional, and some of us were also crying, because it was so much emotional, as they were showing how a soldier sacrifices his or her life for our nation, for the nation. And they don't even care about themselves, that what will they do, and they just sacrifice their life for their nation, as they want their nation to be free.
So I wanna continue this topic with these people.
So on this day, the India get the get his constitution, and the India declaring a republic nation. On this day, the president of India hoists a flag on the and on Red Fort in New Delhi.
So everyone knows that India is our mother, and our language, and in on this day we can celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January. Every Indians are stay for school coaching and because in school many programs are held like a singing and singing, dancing, etc. So in this day I want to so India is our mother, so we can't we can't so we can't so we cannot and we cannot not everyone prevent this India. Someone prepare some people and prevent in.
On 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day constitutionally in India. Sorry, because in 1950, 26 November, our constitution is ready, but they tell that they changed the date to 26 January 1950.
So he want to say that we should celebrate the Republic Day with patriotism. Patriotism with patriotism, and it is really special. So we should not be so lazy on this day and try to give tribute to our national flag and hosted. And if you like this video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye.